In this video, we're going to be talking about Chime Prime benefits and everything that you need to know about. So there are a couple of different benefits that Chime Prime has to offer. The first one being higher SpotMe limit. So you can get up to $200 SpotMe on eligible deposits, and standard is up to $20. The second is going to be higher overdraft limit. So you can get up to 200 overdraft with Chime Overdraft. And again, standard is up to $20. The other one is going to be free or fee-free ATM withdrawals at over 60,000 ATMs nationwide. Standard is 38,000. Again, when it comes to the fourth one, it is going to be exclusive member perks. So special offers from top brands only for Chime Prime members are going to be available. Also, there's going to be early direct deposit, so you can get paid up to 2 days earlier with direct deposit. When it comes to the sixth one, you will also get a higher saving APY. You can earn up to 4% APY on saving account. Standard is like 1%. You can also get a credit builder, so you can build credit with on-time payments, no hard credit check. And also you can purchase protection, so get up to $10,000 in coverage for eligible purchases. And the ninth one is going to be extended warranty. So you can also get up to 1 year extra warranty on eligible purchases. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.